feels good to be king because they're forsaken high. The fact that they're miserable with the new Nike Jack Seller fresh pair of pants. Thank you, Christian Morgan. My taxes are wonderful. Thank you, Steve. Much respect to you. Nicole Briscoe, Colbert, all my inspirational mamacitas, all my brothers, my sisters, my blood family, Tanya, Deborah, Aunt Michelle. Because yes, you need the facade of the place in America can't hide the fact that they're miserable. Now look at my daughter, shine in the positivity. And all the believers who rock together, shine together. And no more brothers and sisters, just Shepard and James, because yes, Deborah, Tanya, Cole Briscoe, I see you in all the way. We showed up, we don't give a fuck, because we are coming in the other city. Everyone's saying, it's never fine. Because you can learn, smile, and then we kick ass as quickly as we can in a major way. Uncle Lonnie, Johnny, with the daddy, because yes indeed, we put the shine on you who wants to get married. You see, it's snow, it's been cold, but we don't come to monster. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. We started every day in every single way. And this is not possible without all of you. So thank you. Appreciate you. Love you. Gretchen Whitmore. Much respect. Kelly Green. And that means enough. And we are gonna dance off a lot of on your daddy. Ha ha ha! Isn't that cute and adorable? Yeah, buddy. Oh, we're happy dancing. We're having fun. No matter the circumstances, no matter the situation comes around, you know, family. Thank you all. Appreciate you all. Respect you all. Ice Tea, Nicole Briscoe, Kelly Brand, all your beautiful mama, our brothers, my sisters, my blood, family. This is the revolution of accountability, responsibility, sex credit, politician, baby. So shine in the glory of the positivity. Shine some love. Shine some love. And bully, take care.